the costs are non-linear, and at best, it's causing a problem where actually if the growth happened, it would actually probably be a bad thing at times. So really trying to understand, like, how do you start to put in those initial things into it? Like, how do you rebase the costs? How do you identify the quick wins? And really what you're trying to do is lay this foundation for the strategy to go forwards. And again, one of the things that we enjoy working most with Databricks actually, it can be quite revolutionary, right? In just that initial step of just going, well, actually, taking the organization's current infrastructure, taking their current always on demand, non-cloud based, and just moving it across to a better infrastructure, a better way of doing things, had a quite significant cost improvement. But also give you a chance to identify these quick wins, just obvious ways of trying to get better value, better insights, bring these things through together. But really, you're building a foundation for where things have come to. Second horizon, it's more about then bringing the enablement into it. I think in most organizations, there's normally organizational challenges that stop unlocking the growth of where it is. It's not uncommon for it to be a people challenge, where simply the capacity of the people is not sufficient to make the growth targets they want to do. So how do you use data and AI to reduce the amount of effort those people involved in their tasks to actually allow the organization to scale, because they can take on more work or more valuable work to try and bring it together? It could also be bringing in new ways of working. It could be identifying use cases around actually trying to change the operational aspects of it. At the same time, trying to reduce some of the risks that have been identified. And I think often the lack of governance, the lack of controls, the lack of even basic understandings around common terminology, the inability to get access to information at a timely rate, or observing where it came from or the state of it. All these create risks in the organization, which are often not addressed until too late. So the real chance as part of the building foundations is also addressing these risks early on as well.